There are many people who sacrifice decades in their life just to bring change in our thought process and give us beautiful today. Today is the history of that one hero in those thousands. Long before Mahatma Gandhi was given the title of Mahatma, there was another social reformer on whom the title of Mahatma was bestowed. He is the great Jyotirao Govindrao Phule. We should bow him for every untouchability who went to school. We should bow him for every child widow who remarried. We should bow him for fighting against caste system. Phule was born on 11th April 1827 in a lower caste in Maharashtra to Father Govindrao Phule and Mother Chimnabai. In their community, there is less room for education. After receiving primary education, Phule withdrew from school and helped a family in their flour business and farm. Later, their neighbors convinced his father and made him join local Scottish Mission High School. He married at the age of 13 to Savitribai. The original surname of the family is Gore, but Jyotirao's father and uncle served as florists, so the family came to be known as Phule. The revolutionary in him awoke when he attended wedding of a Brahmin friend. There he was insulted for attending higher class marriage, hailing from lower class. From then he led the movement against prevailing caste restrictions in India. He revolted against the domination of the Brahmins and struggled for the rights of peasants and other lower caste people. He started change from his home by teaching his wife Savitribai at home. He started first school for girls in 1848 in Pune at Tatya Sahib's Bide's residence. He and his wife Savitribai Phule were pioneers of women education in India. He realized that education of women in lower castes was an important measure to address social inequalities. He followed this with establishing more schools, including ones for lower castes like Mahars and monks. This angered the orthodox upper caste Hindus, who unleashed a campaign against Phule's activities. But such oppositions did not deter him an inch. With each stones they threw, he constructed steps to reach his goal. He is believed to be the first Hindu to start an orphanage for the unfortunate children. In 1863, he opened a home for pregnant women to give birth in safe and secure place. In 1873, he formed the Satyasodak Samaj. The purpose is to decontaminate the society from the caste discrimination and liberate the oppressed lower caste people from the stigmas inflicted by the Brahmins. He believed that religious icons like Rama are implemented by the Brahmin as a means for subjugating the lower caste. Jyotiba Phule devoted his entire life for the liberation of untouchabilities, eradication of caste system, and women's emancipation. Jyotiba suffered a stroke in 1888 and was rendered paralyzed. On 20th November 1890, the great social reformer Mahatma Jyotirao Phule passed away. We are tied by British for 200 years. But aren't we tied ourselves more than Britishers did? We tied ourselves with casteism and untouchability. We tied ourselves differentiating upper class and lower class. We tied ourselves with blind beliefs. We tied ourselves with fears into society. Are we really enjoying the sacrifices of a great man like Mahatma Phule? Did his dreams come true?
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.